Okay, we have a Doall Harrison removable gap bed engine lathe, model M300, serial number 76-302947. Machine was new in 1976, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has 13-inch swing, as I said. You have a D14 CAMLOCK spindle with an 1.5-inch hole through the spindle.
Forward.
That's forward. Reverse. Foot brake. Machine also has a 3-jaw chuck, a 4-jaw chuck, and a 5C collar closer. Faceplate. It's a higher speed. Forward and reverse. Hardened and ground bed. Thread dial indicator.
Higher speed.
Okay, a little bit faster. We're going to run some of the, that's the threading. Cross feed. And longitudinal. It's the tailstock, which is number 3 Morse taper, 4 3/8 tailstock travel. There's your tooling. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.